Behind the thick steel of the Bank of England's vaults lies this, the incredibly advanced facility responsible for printing Britain's money.
Checksum confirms plate alignment is precise.
Approved. We are ready for the test run.
Everything looks good on this section. Copy that. We are clear for continuous transfer.
The polymer levels are stable across all units.
Confirmed. Pressure gauge aligns with the readout. I'll log the final parameters.
Check calibration levels on tank 3.
Reading stable viscosity, 99.8% accuracy.
Identity confirmed. You are cleared for entry.
Authorization confirmed. Begin printing phase 1.
Acknowledged. Printing phase commencing.
The color shift is precise at this angle.
And the embedded data remains stable across all prototypes.
How is the placement on layer 3?
Zooming in now. Yes, Dakhel is fully readable under 200x.
The calibration is precise. The embedded layers are fully visible across all wavelengths. This will prevent any replication.
Look at how the light hits this curve. We finally managed to integrate the hidden pattern seamlessly right here.
The sequence alignment is holding at 99.8%.
We have full traceability across the life cycle. Finalize the tracking system.
The color shifting ink performs exactly as modeled.
Confirmed. All features verified against the gold standard.
Final approval granted.
Check calibration levels on tank 3.
Reading stable viscosity, 99.8% accuracy.
The registration on the third layer is holding steady.
The micro adjustments are working perfectly.
Checksum confirms plate alignment is precise.
Approved. We are ready for the test run.
Look at this cluster near the edge. The AI flagged it as a micro tear.
Confirmed. The rejection system engaged immediately.
The sorting accuracy is holding at 99.8% across all lines.
Good. The automated calibration seems to have stabilized the feed issues from this morning.
The count is exact. 100% accuracy confirmed.
Flawless transition to packaging. The speed is incredible.